Acetylcysteine uses, benefits, side effects, and how it works. Acetylcysteine, commonly known as NAC, is a powerful antioxidant and mucolytic agent with a range of medical applications. Originally developed as a treatment for acetaminophen and Tylenol overdose, it has gained popularity for its various uses in treating respiratory conditions and as a supplement for overall health. This article explores the uses, benefits, side effects, and mechanism of action of acetylcysteine, highlighting its importance in modern medicine. How acetylcysteine works. Acetylcysteine functions primarily by replenishing intracellular levels of glutathione, a potent antioxidant that protects cells from oxidative stress and damage. In cases of acetaminophen overdose, glutathione stores are depleted, leading to liver damage. Acetylcysteine acts as a precursor to glutathione, helping to restore its levels and prevent hepatotoxicity. In addition to its role as an antioxidant, acetylcysteine has mucolytic properties, meaning it can help thin and loosen mucus in the airways. This makes it particularly beneficial for patients with chronic respiratory conditions such as chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, SCOPY, cystic fibrosis, and bronchitis. Uses of acetylcysteine 1, acetaminophen overdoses. The primary and most critical use of acetylcysteine is as an antidote for acetaminophen overdose. It is most effective when administered within 8 to 10 hours of ingestion and can significantly reduce the risk of liver failure. 2. Respiratory conditions. Acetylcysteine is used to treat various respiratory ailments by helping to clear mucus from the airways. It can be prescribed for patients with COPD, cystic fibrosis, and other chronic lung conditions to improve lung function and ease breathing. 3. Contrast-induced nephropathy. Acetylcysteine may help protect the kidneys from damage caused by contrast agents used in imaging studies, especially in patients at risk for contrast-induced nephropathy. It is thought to mitigate oxidative stress associated with these procedures. 4. Mental health support. Emerging research suggests that acetylcysteine may benefit individuals with certain psychiatric conditions, including obsessive compulsive disorder, the OCD, and bipolar disorder. Its antioxidant properties are believed to play a role in reducing symptoms associated with these disorders. Benefits of acetylcysteine. Antioxidant properties. Acetylcysteine's ability to replenish glutathione helps combat oxidative stress, which is linked to various chronic diseases including heart disease and cancer. Mucolytic action. By thinning mucus, acetylcysteine can improve airway clearance, making it easier for patients with respiratory conditions to breathe. Hepatoprotective effects. In cases of acetaminophen overdose, timely administration of acetylcysteine can significantly reduce liver damage and improve recovery outcomes. Potential mental health benefits. Preliminary studies indicate that acetylcysteine may help alleviate symptoms in certain psychiatric disorders, offering hope for adjunctive therapy. Side effects of acetylcysteine. While acetylcysteine is generally considered safe, it can cause some side effects, including 1. Gastrointestinal distress. Nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea are common, especially when taken in higher doses. 2. Allergic reactions. Rarely, some individuals may experience allergic reactions, including rash, itching, or difficulty breathing. 3. Flushing. Some patients may experience flushing or a warm sensation, particularly during intravenous administration. 4. Headache. Mild headaches can occur, although they are typically not severe. Conclusion. Acetylcysteine is a versatile medication with significant therapeutic applications, ranging from treating acetaminophen overdose to supporting respiratory health. Its antioxidant and mucolytic properties make it a valuable tool in managing various medical conditions. While generally safe, users should be aware of potential side effects and consult with a healthcare provider to determine the appropriate dosage and form for their specific needs. As research continues, acetylcysteine may reveal even more benefits, solidifying its role in modern medicine. Don't forget to subscribe to the Balanced Medicine channel, like the video, share it, and leave your opinion in the comments section.